that I watched from Justin Hale from um, Crucial Learning on YouTube. And the first thing that he mentioned was capture everything. Like many times we get overwhelmed by the things that we have to do. It's because we store a lot of things in our minds, and we need to quickly give us 2 minutes and put everything on the page, whatever we are thinking, right? So that way we feel a bit relaxed and relieved. You know that that all these things you have to do. Okay, so I did that and it was really relieving, and uh, it was helpful. Now the second thing is clarity. Many times we create a um, like thing like something like which is very vague. Like if you want to change tires, he gave an example of changing tires. The change changing, it's not actionable. Like you have to put to-do list means what exactly you should be visible doing that particular thing, the action that you have to do. All right. So motivation, so creating clarity. So I use the word called, what did I say, shrink till you want to do it. So when I put the things in a shorter form, like I had to create test cases and test a lot of things on the application. So I had just put it vaguely. Now what I did was I what I wrote was uh, like go to the test, execute, go to the next, execute. Okay, with no extra effort. Go to the next, execute. Now another instance was where I was doing was um, so I was very reluctant to go for an look for an logging a bug into JMeter. So what I did was I did not pay much. I was just feeling overwhelmed thinking about that particular thing. What I did was I wrote OpenWiki instead of that to-do list of test logging a bug. I wrote OpenWiki and JMeter. Second point was open JMeter and run the test for various scripts, and then see business ask column, and then compare the timings. So these kind of things will help create clarity. Next, actionable step. Okay, so shrink till you want to do it is the real thing. Now we say like yes to a lot of things. Okay, so there are three options to doing anything, because if you say yes to everything you have less time. So either you can say yes, no, or renegotiate your commitments. We usually overcommit, so we need to see what we can do in a day. Accordingly we need to plan, and also we need to check our calendars as well. All right, checking calendars is very important. Like what are the things you want to do. Okay, you should put it in a calendar and review the calendar every day and check what you can do and remove and adjust things. Okay, that's great. That's it for this video.